System setup. Invia Liberty pump setup with disposables. Connect the Invia Liberty canister tubing. Insert the tubing base into the pump. Make sure the tubing is flush with the pump. Ensure the orange O-ring is in place. To click the Invia Liberty canister into the pump, slip the pegs at the bottom of the canister into the slots at the base of the pump. Lift the canister towards pump until an audible click is heard. The canister secures the tubing. Switch the Invia Liberty pump on by pressing the top right button. Administrative mode. The Invia Liberty pump has two different user modes: administrative mode and patient mode. Administrative mode is used by the healthcare professional to either set up a new patient or change the pump settings, such as pressure, air leakage volume, therapy mode, language, or the time zone. To enter administrative mode, press and hold the bottom left button and press the top right button. The lock on the screen will be in the unlock position when the Invia Liberty pump is in administrative mode. 1 minute after the last button has been pressed, the Invia Liberty pump switches into patient mode automatically and the display is locked. Additionally, 1 minute after the last button has been pressed, the backlight turns off. When pump alarms or any button is pressed, the backlight will illuminate. Therapy log file. The therapy log file displays runtimes, pressure settings, therapy modes, alarms, warnings, and errors. To view the therapy log file, the pump must be placed in administrative mode. To enter the administrative mode, press and hold the bottom left button and then press the top right button. Press the up and down arrow buttons at the same time. The last 51 events are logged and displayed. To view the log in graph format, press the graph button. To exit the therapy log file, press the back button. 1 minute after the last button has been pressed, the Invia Liberty pump switches into patient mode automatically and the display is locked. Alarms and warnings. The pump distinguishes between an alarm and a warning. Notification of a warning or alarm will be shown on the display with a fault number. An audible alarm will sound. To silence an alarm, press the left bottom button, Mute. The alarm will sound again in 1 minute if the issue has not been resolved. Once the alarm is muted, the screen will display instructions on what needs to be done to resolve the issue. Cleaning and disinfection. The Invia Liberty pump and associated products, docking station, rail holder, and charger should be cleaned, disinfected after each use. Wipe off with a damp cloth or wipe with a disinfecting agent. The disinfecting wipes should be used of the alcohol group. Do not use disinfecting agents such as Terolin, as this will damage the outer casing. The Invia Liberty and accessories cannot be sterilized or placed in a dishwasher.